I don't know. I look at people and I see that so many of them, their wants are so large. Okay, you can't hear me, huh? Their wants are more a lot
Oh,
of
yes.
times than what their earnings are, and
Feeding the
I have to
appetite,
have
yeah.
I have to have that car, and and then I'll be happy, and then I have to have this house, and then I'll be happy, and then I have to have, you know, this pool for the house, and then I'll be happy. But then when they get all that, it's always another thing that they're not happy with.
Yes, that's the error of seeing happiness as something outside of yourself, something to be gained. Happiness, the value of things is purely a projection, each and everything of its own. You know, if you were starving to death in the middle of the desert, the Hope Diamond wouldn't do you much good. So desirability then is, is called glamour. The energy of glamour is projected onto things. We think the attractiveness is out there. There's no attractiveness out there. All attractiveness is in here. It's because you desire that and want it and value it that it looks desirable and attractive to you. Pickled beets look very good to you if you like pickled beets, and if you don't, they don't attract you. Mm-hmm. So the projection of value onto the external world, and that, of course, is the basis of materialism, and the whole economy is based on wanting this and wanting that and wanting something else. And to instill such wants. If you don't want something, you'll get programmed to wanting it. And better burial benefits.
Better burial benefits?
They're out to sell you something.
Yeah.
Prepaid funerals. I mean, right down to the very last thing. Better coffins, you know what I mean? So there's no end to programming people to wanting this. So wanting this is the backbone of our economy. The backbone of our economy is wanting this. And when people stop wanting things, it all comes to a halt. But when you let go wanting the physical, then you want the emotional and you want the spiritual. What you're looking for, the world cannot provide. And you're looking for the return of love. A glance of love is all that you really wanted that entire day.